Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. Please watch this video till the end and share it with all your friends. Before we step into the guidance how to study computer science, first we have to understand what are the common mistakes most of the students will do. So first we have to understand what are the must study computer science subjects. These are the 15 subjects. Every computer science student must study them in detail. Every student is going to study these subjects, but the common mistake they do is they study them individually. They study C programming, they study data structures, they study compiler design, all those subjects, they study them individually. No, you are not supposed to study like that. You have to understand what are the relations between these subjects, how these subjects are related in order to make you understand the concepts, the basic concepts of computers in detail. How these subjects are related, that is the point you have to understand. If you have that understanding how these subjects are related and how these subjects are helping you in visualizing the computer, if you have good visualization at the subject, you can perform it very well. Good visualization, good performance. That is the way you have to study the subject, so that you can remember the subject and you can feel the subject, you can enjoy the subject. That is what Learning Monkey is going to provide you, from basics to advanced concepts in computer science. Study at Learning Monkey. Follow our guidance videos. Now you understand. Not only that, you have to study them step by step. You have to follow some sequence in order to make you understand the subject properly and easily. So what's that sequence? Which sequence you have to follow? That we are going to discuss at the end of this. First you have to study C programming, then go with data structures and DLD. Like this, you have to follow some sequence also. Okay, by the end of second year or third year first semester, if you are able to complete these 15 subjects with the level of understanding, with good level of understanding, and if you are able to see all these subjects together as a single subject, that is what the visualization you should have by the end of third year first semester or by the end of second year. If you have that visualization, if you have that understand, if you have all these subjects together, if you look at them as a single subject, that subject we call it as computer science. If you are good at this subject computer science, yes, if you want to move to any domain, if you want to move to web development, yes, you can study them in 3 to 4 months. If you want to move to data science, these basic, whatever the subject, the complete together subject, computer science you have, with that basics, you can study data science in a matter of 4 to 5 months. That is why you have to study those basics in depth. You can move on to any domain, machine learning, cyber security, you take any domain in computer science, advanced domain. So more basics, more money. Don't forget that. So that's why you have to study step by step, and you have to follow, you have to understand that relationship, how these subjects are related and helping you to have a good visualization of the subject. These points we are going to discuss in our playlist, how to study computer science. So visit our playlist, how to study computer science. In this playlist we made some videos, points before studying C programming. So before you start studying C programming, please watch this video, then start studying C programming. In this video we are going to discuss what's the level of understanding you are going to get after completion of C programming, and how the C programming is useful in understanding remaining subjects. Like that, points before studying data structures. Before you move on to data structures, please watch these videos. These videos will help you, guide you to give you a relation between the subjects. Those points we are going to discuss in this video. So before you start studying, Watch these videos, then start studying the subjects. And coming to the step by step, so which subjects you have to study first, and what's the step by step procedure? These are the mathematical subjects: discrete mathematics, probability, calculus, linear algebra. You can study these mathematics anytime in any semester. It is not a problem. And discrete mathematics, you must study this subject before studying database management system, because the concepts which we discuss here, these concepts are used in database management system. Now coming to the remaining core subjects of computers, C programming should be started first. After that, you can start object-oriented programming, data structures, DLD. You can start them at a time. Once you completed this data structures, you can start studying design and analysis of algorithms and database management system. After completion of digital logic design, you can start COA. So these three subjects can be started at a time. So after completion of COA and data structures, you can start studying operating system. Similarly, after completion of data structures and COA, you can start studying theory of computations. So these two subjects can be started at a time. And then after completion of operating system, you can go with computer networks. After completion of theory of computation, you can go with the compiler designer. So this is the sequence you have to follow. If you follow this sequence, you can easily understand the subject and you can easily relate the subjects. That's why you have to follow this sequence. So you can study all the subjects from basics to advanced subjects at Learning Monkey. Please check our playlist, follow our content. So if you follow our content and if you follow our assignments, it will be very, very easy for you to understand the subject. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel and share it with all your friends, and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.